Have you noticed that students are already using AI, but most schools still don't know how to teach it? Think about that for a second. When I joined the Navy, technology was changing fast. And one thing I learned early was this: the people who adapt win. The people who refuse to adapt get left behind. AI is no different. As an educator, I'm not worried about AI replacing teachers. I'm worried about students graduating without knowing how to use AI responsibly, ethically, and effectively. AI is not a shortcut, it's a tool. Just like calculators didn't replace math, AI won't replace learning, but it will amplify the students who know how to think, solve problems, and ask better questions. The future belongs to people who combine human creativity with artificial intelligence. So the question isn't whether AI belongs in education. The real question is, are we preparing students for the future or for a world that no longer exists? Through endurance, we prevail.